This is very important in reference to race and religion and facts of history. The name of the individuals that have grabbed me and have burnt my teeth. Supreme Court, you are obligated to know who these people are, and you are obligated to prosecute them. And so is the California government. These people kidnapped me from my mother and father's mansions. Is anybody denying that? These men have grabbed me on jobs. They have tried to orchestrate their way of attacking me when they have stolen monies that I was supposed to have received. Is that not true? Where's my benefits? I've been attacked on every fucking job I've worked on in Indianapolis. They have physically assaulted me on every single job and sexually assaulted me on every single job these government agents have. They kidnapped me from my mother and father's mansions. They stole my Ford Tempo in California. They stole money out of my checking account at Bank of America. They were blocking me from my mother and father's mansions. They even tried to kidnap me from UCLA, is what somebody has tried to communicate before. So does UCLA know who these people are? Then UCLA University needs to arrest these people. These people are still holding me hostage. They did this shit to my teeth today. They grabbed me today and had burnt my teeth or something. They were burning my lips and teeth all day at work with the satellite. It's like they got my face in a satellite headlock. Do you claim you have ties to me, government man? Did you make up accusations? We need time and date of every fucking accusation that you have ever made. Do you think you outrank me? Do you think you have a right physically assaulting me and the race that I am, and ethnicity that I am? See, you've been holding me hostage, attacking me. You're trying to play this displacement of blame. You did this to my real teeth. The man that has damaged my teeth the very first fucking time must get arrested. Or they need to, if he doesn't get arrested right now, immediately, the police chief and the governor and mayor need to get impeached in Indianapolis, Indiana, and everybody else in government for the attack of these government people harassing me. And I don't play your shit, government man. Your people have instigated contact to harass me with your satellite. I was trained in satellite technology. So in reference to you calling me a liar, it can put you in the death chamber. It can put you on trial for the death sentence. Don't call me a liar. You're burning my teeth right now. You and your people have violated my school teachers. And what's the name of this impersonator you tried to confuse me with? Did he go to UCLA? Did he go to school in Beverly Hills Elementary and Junior High and High School? And they have my fingerprints over there somewhere from when I was a little boy. So we need to know, government man, and you won't be able to find them, and they can't tell you where they're at because they're somewhere in the building. And they were there for a reason. To say my fingerprints and handprints are probably somewhere in stone or in somewhere. Yeah. It might be there somewhere. And the Hollywood Walk of Fame. See if they got any of my hand palm prints on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Or footprints from when I was little. Now this is very important in reference to these government people. They are violating copyrights of my identity by confusing my identity with somebody else. And those people need to get arrested. I've asked for my birth certificate, driver's license with my birth name on it. These people have continuously held me hostage with this Greenfield document. They have continuously abused me, trying to call me somebody from the Ray family. My mother, Doris Duke, had a court case against the Ray family and the Indiana government about them calling me their relative. There needs to be more court cases. People need to go into court about their lies, their tricks, and all their accusations. And my mother had restraining orders on Frank Sinatra. My mother had restraining orders on every single one of his friends and every single one of his relatives. My mother had restraining orders on the head of the CIA. My mother had restraining orders on the Bush family, the Clinton family, and the George W. Bush family. My mother had restraining orders on Donald Trump and his people. And the Teamsters should have that on record too, and the Screen Actors Union should have that on record. Now, somebody was trying to communicate to the Screen Actors Union president over there, or whoever they are, obviously is a communist or a Nazi or something. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's what's her name from 90210. I think there's a new Screen Actors president or something, because they've shown it on the website or something. But she knows me. But, you know, in reference to all these people confusing my identity and attacking me, or people trying to abuse me, it's attempted murder every day. They're still burning my teeth right here. You're still physically touching me. You're still physically causing markings on my lips. Do you think you own me or something? We need the time and date of where... We need to see the receipt that you claimed you thought you bought me from my parents. And my parents was richer than you. The Royal Protocol's in the media 24 hours a day, and that document can never be bought. That is my real birth certificate in the Royal Protocol in the media. So all you government people that are dominating or trying to steal or trying to muscle me or trying to damage my face and teeth all the time, obviously, you see what you did? It took over 45 years for my teeth to grow the size they were. And you have caused a lot of problems with my facial structure. I am not your child, I am not your friend, and I am not underneath your political status. And you must get prosecuted, even if they have to impeach all the Supreme Court, every court judge in the whole fucking country. My rights are above yours. You are violating my rights, my anatomy, my rights of privacy, my rights of freedom. And you've tried to turn America into a communist German Nazi country? No, man. Nazis did not build the cities in this country. Germans did not build the cities in America. Neither did the Middle East either. My parents had receipts of things they built in America, and so did my grandparents, and they have them on record at the Treasury. So you need to go into court for your fabrications and your accusations and your goddamn lies. And there's on-site restrictions. It even says on Treasury documents that there's 100% legal right to kill any person trying to manhandle me or any person damaging my teeth or face or anatomy. So if anybody sees anybody grabbing me or rendering me unconscious with a taser, there's supposed to be security personnel around me that are supposed to either kill that person or obviously apprehend and render that person immobile, to render that person helpless, is what it says on those Treasury documents and the Royal Protocol media documents.